Hello David, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for 2015 CBR1000RRA. A stands for ABS brakes. This motorcycle comes fully safety certified and is available at this time. Comes with a windshield, aftermarket windshield, and also comes with the kit eliminator. Brand new rear and front tires, and the motorcycle is very clean. If you want me to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacts.